First of all, I would like to thank this ECHO because giving me a very big opportunity to use this SMS. It's very meaningful for me because when I do using this system is very convenient for me. It can save my time, my energy, and it's very fast. So whenever if I'm in Malaysia, whenever I can, even that day I'm in Kuantan, my laptop, my internet, I just go through, I just need to SMS, I just SMS them, just wherever am I, yeah, I don't matter, as long I got my laptop and an internet, I can send my SMS anytime, anywhere. We use send SMS for meetings, for gatherings, and we will give some talks to my members, like what we do, like how to start a business. We will give them a motivation, and then we will give them a motivation on how to bring up the children. So many kinds of to implement their life, to bring up them. We got men, we got women, we got children, because we got teenagers also there. We will give them the teenagers also. We will explore them what is a life actually is. So how to bring up. So now you can see a lot of Indians children. They involve in many things, like they are not supposed to do in that age. So we will call them. We will give them speech. What are you doing? What's your problem? So we will talk to them. So this is what the service we give to the Indians. Yeah, there is a member low income. The income doesn't matter. We only want the person to upgrade their life. That's all. To upgrade, and they do a job a proper way. Okay, on Saturday normally, if it's not a public holiday, we will get a big gathering, and we will give a talk how to do a business. Let's say it's a restaurant business. We will call a man who really achieve in a restaurant business. We will come and give them a talk how to open a restaurant, the foreign workers, all the procedures, and from the government department what we need. If it's a trading, we will call a man who are really doing a trading business. Many business, even a hotel line, anything, we will call them and we will give the talk. So we want our Indian society to come up. Indian society, they are getting low and low because we don't want that to happen in future. So we want to bring them, everything is up. Even we give motivation to the childrens, and we give tuitions to them as long also with the teenagers. We got the teachers, we will volunteer to give them tuitions, how to speak, everything. This is what we do on Saturdays. We send SMS through normalized Tamil.